back with a follow-up video. I am so congested, I'm sorry, but I wanted to get this one out before I upload any other video. So, of course, you see my same hairstyle as my last video. I'm just showing you all how I refresh my hair. I do use different products sometimes depending on what products I'm using. But I'm also always going to start off with water to give my hair some moisture so that I can put those products in to lock that moisture in. So I'm finger detangling my hair here for anything that got out of my scarf last night. And take this, I think it was some heat protectant oil, I don't know, but yeah, I'll use that and put it all through my hair. And I'm also still using that lusty moisture in my hair. And I'm taking that Cerakote Tangle Buster brush and I'm going to detangle it some more before I put it into that ponytail. I know I look like I'm kind of heavy-handed with my hair, but I promise I'm not. I just like to get in there. I'm just gonna comb my edges out before I go ahead and form my ponytail. If you watch my last video, then you'll know I did not do that. Like I said, my edges are never the same, even the preparation. I'm taking my Eco and I'm just gonna slap that on there. I do apologize if you hear the birds. I am sitting outside. It's so early. But I'm just gonna put that into a ponytail. There's nothing special about that. Just checking to make sure I haven't left any hairs out before I start my edges. Okay, so I'm still playing with my hair, apparently. And I'm gonna show you all how to define your ponytails. It's not really too much. I'm just moisturizing my ends as well. more than likely I do, before the day over with, bun my ponytails so that my ends are not out. But I'm just taking those same steps to make sure my hair is moisturized before I brush that out. So yeah, that is a quick and easy way to define your ponytails. Yes, I'm scrunching it because I don't want my hair to drip. I was getting ready to go to work, so let's give you all a side view. I'm going to prepare to move on to the next ponytail. I gotta make sure that kitchen is straight. And as you can see, I use a lot of Eco because it does not make my hair hard whatsoever. It just don't. Moving on to the next ponytail. I'm going to shut up because I'm doing the same thing. I don't know if you guys noticed, but one side of my hair is in fact longer than the other side, and one side also is way more thicker than the other side, which is why my curl patterns are completely different. My favorite parts, my edges, and I only use edge booster. Doesn't matter the smell, the color of the thing, it's just the smells. But yeah, I only use an edge booster. That is the only thing that will lay my edges down for a full day. I used to use Got2b glue, but it breaks my skin out tremendously. So it's really no special way for me to tell you how to do your edges. So I'm just gonna end my voice over here and tell you guys thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome, subscribe. I would like for you all to leave me video suggestions, comments, criticism. It doesn't matter in the comments. I will respond. And also like, share with your friends. And thank you.
AM to AM calls, zero communication.